How to change your date of birth on Microsoft account. Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can change your date of birth on Microsoft account. To change date of birth, first log into microsoft.com and then on the top right corner click on profile icon and then click on my Microsoft account. Now on the left panel go to your info. Now under the profile info you will see date of birth, just click on that. Now select your date of birth. After that click on save. And there you go. So that's how you can change your date of birth on Microsoft account. Hope that this video helped you out. If you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.